This is a digital transformation strategy workshop, but more correctly, it's really a strategy development workshop. You see, I'm not going to tell you what your strategy is going to be. I can't do that. What I hope to be able to do is help you go through a series of steps so that you can develop your own strategy for your business to help you to get you from where you are today to wherever your future state is going to be. And that's what I'm hoping to accomplish. What I'm going to bring to the table is a process to take your understanding of your business and tie it to digital transformation and see how it all connects together. You know what you want, where you're going, right? You know what the risks are, the threats and opportunities, right? And now what you do is you go across to each one of the areas and you figure out what your strategic objective is for each one of those areas. If you implemented the strategies that you just came up with, connected to your balanced scorecard, that was connected to your mission, connected to your vision, what will the outcomes be for your business? How would it change?